cut marble work. We're joined here today with Mohammed, an experienced fabricator who's been in the industry for over 15 years. You've been supporting Marbella since we started, so I want to know, what is your take on our quality of porcelain?
I'm very happy. In a few years, I worked with the infinity material. It's very easy to work. It's easy to fabricate.
We like the color selections, the actual finishes in the material, and how it cuts, as Mohammed said, on the saw in the back, and the happiness on the delivery on our clients. We couldn't be more happy with the customer service provided by Marbella. And like I said, the overall quality and results of when we're picking very unique product. We'd like to show you the back end scenes of how we actually get these really unique materials into something that you guys see here today. We're gonna take you in the back. Let's go have a look. So from the material selection process, we then take these very unique slabs into fabrication, and we're gonna walk you through the fabrication process starting from the actual computer renderings to where it then goes into the shop. Our friend Zapiar here actually takes a slab in itself and will be able to walk us through the whole navigation process of a project after it's measured. Measuring is very important in the actual on-site requirements to get the project specially fitted for the amount of required material that we need for each project. Zapiar will then take each amount of those required slabs and navigate it on the computer rendering system, which will allow us to see where the veins fall, where the miters happen, where the book matches happen from the countertops to the backsplashes, and how each piece navigates to itself. Welcome to the fabrication shop, guys.
What a beautiful shop.
Here, we're actually going to be talking about some of the manufacturing details after we see what we see on the computer CNC and when it goes to the actual machines and when it's being cut.
Exactly, and one thing about cutting. So this is a 6mm ocean blue infinity slab, and we see the perfect miter that has been cut here. So how do you get such a perfect, clean cut?
6mm, what we're using is a very, very sharp blade with a diamond bit ends on it, which are used on the CNC machine. Those are then cut carefully mitered and then brought into the fabrication process to our team.
Christian, a lot of questions that we get asked are, what are the different types of edges and profiles we can do with porcelain?
So porcelain's a very fun material to work with, especially when it comes to the edge profiling details, Olivia.
Right.
We are left to sometimes doing things that try to make things more simplified, but more detailed, but yet also timeless.
Exactly.
So people in now modern day design have asked for so many unique profiles, inverted edges. We've got edge profiles that are built up with whatever the required distances would be, 2, 3, sometimes 6 inches. We've also are now seeing rounded edges and
really
even
popular.
Detailed things that are completely not straight and undulated. So with the shop's technology and the capabilities of the machinery, we are able to do a multitude of finish edges and profiles with porcelain.
Fantastic. And have you guys ever left the 12mm exposed edge?
This is the topic question of like 2023, like the awesomest question.
Right.
We find that it's a very European edge look. When people aren't asking for built up profiles, which we see here, and just capping on top leaves a very contemporary style finish and very European clean line finish.
Yeah, very modern.
Very modern
Yeah.
and very suited to each end client. At the end of the day, both look very much amazing.
They do. I personally love the sleek profile, but a nice chunky edge, you can't go wrong.
Never.
Whoa!